If you are feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list and you're looking for a simple system to help you get more things done in less time, this is the video for you. I am going to share with you the ultimate time management system that includes my favorite productivity tips from the Pomodoro Technique, time blocking, and the Eisenhower matrix. I'll show you how to use them and why they work. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a bunch of free templates that you can download and start using right away. Let's get started. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I love lists. They help me to organize my thoughts and plan my days. But before I share my favorite time management system with you, I need to warn you about a common productivity pitfall. A few years ago, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos about productivity. And one of the things that I learned is that we tend to overestimate the amount of time that we have available. So here's what I mean. Let's say that you have 10 items on your to-do list. You might think that it will take you 2 to 3 hours to complete them, but in reality, it might take you 5 or 6 hours. That's because when you estimate the time that it will take you to complete a task, you only take into account the time that you actually spend working on that task. For example, if it takes you 10 minutes to write an email, you would include the 10 minutes in your estimate. But you also need to factor in the time that you spend getting ready to work on that task, like gathering your materials and getting in the right mindset. And if you're like me, you also spend a lot of time procrastinating. So if your workday starts at 9 a.m. and you have 10 tasks to complete, try to guess what time you'll finish all of them. Keep in mind that it takes you a little while to get started and that you lines probably get interrupted a few times. Now that you've estimated how long it will take you to complete all of your tasks, I want you to write down your actual work hours. So let's say that you work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's 8 hours. Now subtract the amount of time that you estimated and see how much time you have left. Chances are you'll have a lot more time left over than you thought. And that extra time is where you can add more tasks to your to-do list or take a break. Now let's talk about my favorite time management system. It has 3 parts. The first part is the Pomodoro Technique, which is a method of forcing yourself to focus on one task until you complete it. All you have to do is set a timer for 25 minutes and work on one task until the timer goes off. When the timer goes off, you can take a 5-minute break and then go back to work. The second part is time blocking, which is a method of scheduling your tasks in advance. All you have to do is look at your calendar and block out specific times of the day for specific tasks. The third part is the Eisenhower matrix, which is a method of prioritizing your tasks based on their importance and urgency. All you have to do is draw a 2x2 matrix and list out your tasks. And now it's time for me to share with you some free templates that you can download and start using right away. The first template is a blank time blocking spreadsheet. You can use this template to schedule your tasks and appointments for the day, week, or month. The second template is an Eisenhower matrix template. You can use this template to prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. The third template is a Pomodoro timer. You can use this template to track your work sessions and break times. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.